Welcome to the final module, the Outlier Content Engine. This is where we stop theorizing and start building the machine. Most creators are stuck in chaos, posting randomly and hoping for the best. The 1% operate on a system. This isn't about posting more, it's about operating a system. The Outlier Engine is a weekly, predictable process for high-impact content. The entire system runs on a simple weekly cycle. Pain leads to opinion, opinion leads to content, and content leads to demand. The first step is fueling the engine. Your fuel is not just ideas, but the fusion of client pain and your unique solution. You begin by mining for specific, costly pain points. Listen to the language of frustration in comments, DMs, and client calls. Capture the exact ache your audience feels. Next, you fuse that pain with your unique lens. Challenge the sacred cows of your industry and propose a new, clearer rule for success. This fusion results in one sharp, focused core idea or unique lens that will drive all your content for the entire week. Once you have your lens, you build your content. The key is to express that single idea strategically across multiple formats. One sharp lens expressed through 3 pieces: attention, depth, and proof. This ensures maximum reach and credibility. The hero piece is your long-form demand story, using the glimpse and yarn model to sell the after reality without teaching the how. The attention piece is a short, polarizing hook for massive reach. Use open loops and hyperspecificity to force the scroll to stop. Finally, the thrust piece provides tangible proof, a mini case study, or a client quote. This verifies that your lens actually works. Creating 3 pieces from one idea isn't just about output, it's about engineering a feedback loop that builds your authority. This process is repeated until your audience stops seeing random content and starts seeing consistency. This consistency of thinking creates unshakable authority. When every post reinforces the same unique lens and philosophy, you stop being a creator and become the defining voice in your niche. And authority creates demand. People seek out the authority, eliminating the need for cold DMs or desperate pitching. This system replaces the panic of daily posting with a predictable strategic cadence. You stop consuming inspiration and start commanding results. This is how creators stop guessing and start compounding their authority and inbound leads week after week. This is not content, this is infrastructure. It's time to build your Outlier content engine. Subscribe for more.